guys, my name is Jasmine. I'm a holistic esthetician and I support skin health inside out, in person, and virtually. I'm really excited because on today's episode, we are going to do an unboxing. With this unboxing, it's from Bambu Earth, so I'm going to go over the products and hit some key ingredients that you need to know for your skin health. Okay, so the very first product we're going to talk about today is the castor and squalene cleansing oil. This is great for removing makeup, debris, impurities off of the face, and it has two main ingredients that I really love, which is the sunflower seed oil and the shea nut oil. They're very low on the comedogenic scale, and they'll help to keep the skin nice and plump and hydrated after rinsing the face off with this. And it's slightly fragranted, so you don't have to worry about it being overwhelming with your senses. Okay, so next on our list is the Helichrysum Hydration Mist. This is a wonderful product because it does exactly what it says, which is hydrate, it revitalizes, it soothes. One of the main ingredients in here is helichrysum, which is great for doing that. And again, it's also lightly fragranted for those who have sensitive senses. Their product is the great way to go. And it's a hydrosol, which I also love. So this is a fan favorite. I take this with me everywhere. Next up, we're going to talk about our gentle vitamin C glow serum. As you can see, so I did put some on my face today, and my face, honey, it is glowing. Two of the ingredients that I want to discuss in this product: number one, of course, the vitamin C, which helps to protect your skin from free radicals, and it helps to evenly brighten the skin. Like, look how bright my skin is. Granted, I have a freaking ring light in front of me, but look at the glow. And I got a dermaplane yesterday, which also helps with the product absorption, and my skin is devouring it. Can we just recognize the glow? Also, the second ingredient I want to recognize is neroli. It has a neroli hydrosol in there as well, which is great because it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, which makes it great for acneic skin, sensitive skin. Love. Okay, so next on our list, we have the Rose Hip Repairing Serum. This serum is wonderful because it has two ingredients that I absolutely love, and that is the rose hip and the pumpkin seed oil. Also low on the comedogenic scale, which means that it will not clog your pores. This is great because it helps to restore, to soothe, helps with discoloration, helps with irritation on the skin. This is a tried and true gem of mine. Again, I'm a little biased because I do love all the products and I do use all the products, but this is a really good one for everybody. Next up is the Blue Algae Firming Serum. One of the main ingredients that I want to discuss in here is bakuchiol. That is a natural ingredient that helps with fine lines and wrinkles. This is a good one. Next up, we have the Red Algae Firming Eye Serum. This is great because it has two ingredients that I want to discuss. Again, the bakuchiol, which is great for fine lines and wrinkles, and it also has caffeine in it. The caffeine helps to wake up the eyes, especially after a tired night. This is something that you want to keep on hand, especially if you travel. This is a really good one for that jet lag and just switching time zones or just being dehydrated in the air. Okay, next up, we have the Exfoliating Enzyme Papaya Mask. This is a wonderful mask because of two ingredients, of course. It's going to be papaya. Papaya is a great, gentle, exfoliating enzyme. It helps to remove all those dead skin cells, making you for bright, beautiful, vibrant skin. It also has almond oil in it. Almond oil is low on the comedogenic rating scale, which means that it is less likely to clog your pores, and it hydrates at the same time. So not only are we getting rid of that dead skin, but we're replenishing it with hydration. Love this mask. Again, I'm being very biased because I do love these products. Look at my skin. I am a walking billboard, literally. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. Alrighty, guys, stay with me. I promise I'm almost done. Next up, we have the Bamboo and Willow Polishing Mask. This is a wonderful mask because it's hydrating. It helps with skin elasticity, which keeps your skin looking nice and plump and youthful, as well as we want to talk about the willow bark willow bark is anti-inflammatory and it is a gentle exfoliant. So it does 2 for 1 for you. Not only does it keep you looking young and fresh and skin looking vibrant, but it also helps to remove that dead skin so that all of that can happen. This is a good one as well. Okay, next up, we're going to talk about the snow mushroom hydrating mask. Snow mushroom is one of the ingredients that we're going to discuss today, which is great in barrier protection and anti-aging. Secondly, we're going to discuss aloe vera, which is hydrating, it's soothing, and it's rich in a bunch of vitamins. So this is also really good. And next, we're going to talk about the advanced antioxidants renewing gel. This is great because it has paracress, which is what I'd like to call nature's Botox. It helps to lift the skin naturally. And it has bakuchiol, which is great for fine lines, wrinkles, collagen production. So baby, this is Botox in the box. I keep her very close to me. Next up, we have, last but not least, the Intense Hydration Cactus Moisturizer. 2 ingredients that I want to discuss in this is the mango butter and shea butter. Both are so hydrating for the skin. Low on the comedogenic scale, which means it's less likely to clog pores. And it's great to use on your knees as well, your ankles, those elbows that tend to get really ashy, and of course to use it on your face as a final seal. It just locks in the moisture beautifully and it keeps your skin nice and hydrated. This is the last but not least. Bambu Earth is absolutely fabulous. Big fan. And thank you again for sending this box. I love you guys. Oh.